Hello everyone, welcome back to Protech Genius. This is me Surya Prakash, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys about the TextNow application, and I'm gonna review the TextNow application. So for the folks who don't know about the TextNow application is an application which enables us to get a free virtual number. Wait, it's written over here. Which enables us to get a free virtual number with which we'll be able to do free unlimited calling and texting. We'll be able to make social media accounts. uh, Previously we were able to make social media accounts for free, but now they have converted it to a paid option. But still, we'll be able to get a free local phone number, uh, and we'll be able to call and text uh, within the US and Canada for entirely free. Okay, so I'm using the TextNow application for the past few years. Let's say uh, I'm using the TextNow application for the past, I guess, 4 to 5 years. Previously, TextNow was the best virtual number application, but right now I would not say this is the best virtual number application. Right now I'll cover the reasons for that. Number one, guys, TextNow actually released an update in 2023, and if you guys want to learn more about the information, you can just go check it out. Check out my video. The video's link is in the description and the comment. In the first comment, I'll pin the comment so you guys can just go check it out. So right now, TextNow has made its security strict, so only the people within and Canada will be able to get an account. If you are outside the US or Canada, it's going to be very tough for you to make an account. And right now they have converted the OTP. For making social media accounts such as WhatsApp and Telegram, we would need to receive an OTP from them. But in order to receive OTPs, right now TextNow has converted the feature as a paid feature. So as you can see, the WhatsApp account over here, this was actually not made from TextNow. This was made from an TextNow alternative application. If you guys want to learn about the TextNow alternative application, I have also made a video, and the video's link is going to be in the description and the first comment. Okay, so according to me, my review about the TextNow is that the application over here, as you can see, the second line is also from the TextNow. I would recommend you guys to not use this application. The reasons is that there are mainly 4 errors which are occurring right now in TextNow. I have screenshotted those errors. The errors are going to be the sign up error, which is going to be shown to you like this. That is, the TextNow is unavailable in your country. The next error is going to be your account has been disabled error. The next error is going to be the country code error, and then the next error is going to be the TextNow installation error. I'm not telling that these errors are completely unsolvable. Yes, these errors are solvable. These problems can be fixed no matter from which country you are, but it requires hard work and effort. So if you are ready to put in the hard work, you can just go check out the video in my description, which teaches you how to solve each of these errors step by step. So you'll be able to solve these errors and use the TextNow application. But if you are not ready to put in the effort in order to use the TextNow application for completely free, then this application is not for you. If you are still in the US or Canada, you can try this application. But if you are outside any parts of the nation, suppose let's say you are in India, Pakistan, or any Asian countries, or African countries where the TextNow users are the majority, I'm gonna have to tell you guys to stop using this application and move on to the alternative applications. Okay, previously I showed you that this is my WhatsApp application created using virtual number, right? Just take a look at this number. This number was actually made from the application known as Text Plus. This video is not a promotional video. I'm not getting paid from the Text Plus or something, but this application is something which I used and I find it comfortable. As you can see over here, I was able to create a WhatsApp account using this number. I'll show you guys my number. Okay, take a look at my number. This is the same as the WhatsApp number. So I made social media accounts, both WhatsApp and Telegram, using the Text Plus number. But Text Plus has a few flaws, but okay, it's fine if you're using the application. So according to me, the review of TextNow, I'm going to rate it. Let's say for 5 stars, I'm going to rate it 2.5 stars. For 10, it's going to be 5 stars. So still, my advice to you folks is that if you're ready to put in the hard work, you can use this application. It is a very good application. While I was using, actually, to be frank, I made 60 plus accounts in TextNow and 40 plus accounts in second lane. So overall, the TextNow Corporation has provided me with 100 plus numbers. I don't know, I guess it's 120 plus numbers. So yes, previously before this year, this was the best application. I could rate it 4.8 stars or 9.6 stars out of 5 and 10 respectively. But right now the stars has been reduced. This application is not a good application. So guys, if you're still watching this video, just go try the alternatives. Go check the videos in the description, and or if you're lazy, just go check the comment section. Few videos will be pinned in that. Just go watch it. Just you'll be able to clear your mind. Okay, so guys, if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up button below, and if you are new to this channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button. And you know what, by doing so, I'll be able to post more videos about TextNow and its alternatives, or about the tech related stuffs. And by subscribing, you'll be able to receive all the notifications for it, with which you'll be before the users. I'll also be giving a few giveaways. I have given Binance giveaway of about $300. By subscribing to my channel, you'll be able to claim that giveaways before everyone. So I recommend you guys just go subscribing, and importantly, turn on the bell notifications, so you'll be among the first users to watch the video. So guys, once again, thanks for watching this video. Until then, let's meet again in the next video, that is tomorrow. Bye.